Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Acura NSX versus Ford GT. We'll explore how these two iconic supercars, while both mid-engined marvels, offer distinct driving experiences. The NSX blends hybrid technology with everyday usability, delivering impressive power through its advanced all-wheel drive system. In contrast, the Ford GT is a purebred racing machine, built for blistering speed and track performance, emphasizing its powerful twin-turbo V6 engine and aerodynamic design. When it comes to raw power, the Ford GT edges out the NSX, offering a higher horsepower output from its potent twin-turbo V6. However, the NSX's hybrid powertrain delivers instant torque and impressive acceleration, especially off the line, thanks to its electric motors and all-wheel drive. The Ford GT's rear-wheel drive setup provides a more traditional, visceral supercar feel, demanding precise driver input for its immense power. Visually, the NSX presents a more understated elegance, with flowing lines and a contemporary aesthetic that hints at its advanced technology. Its interior is well-appointed, offering comfort and modern amenities. The Ford GT, on the other hand, is a dramatic statement, with its flying buttresses and aggressive stance clearly signaling its track-bred intentions. Its cockpit is driver-centric, stripped down to enhance the connection between car and road. Ultimately, the choice between the NSX and Ford GT comes down to priorities. The NSX provides incredible performance and advanced technology at a more accessible price point, making it a compelling daily drivable supercar. The Ford GT, with its limited production and extreme performance, is a true collector's piece, offering an unparalleled, raw driving experience. For those looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.